South Sudanese Vice President Taban Deng recently made a significant visit to Bentiu, the capital of Unity State, marking his first return since his removal as governor in 2013. This visit, undertaken on behalf of President Salva Kiir, was part of a peace mission coinciding with the centenary celebration of the Catholic Church in the region on May 11, 2025. Traveling by road from Juba, VP Taban passed through Lakes and Warrap states, making stops in communities such as Awirial, Ural West, and Rumbek East. At each stop, he delivered messages promoting peace and reconciliation, emphasizing the government's commitment to the full implementation of the 2018 revitalized agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan (RARCSS). In Mayam County, VP Taban addressed residents, urging peaceful relations with neighboring communities and praising local reconciliation efforts. He also highlighted the importance of infrastructure development, calling for road construction linking Unity State's counties. During his visit to Rubcona County, VP Taban addressed concerns regarding the recent house arrest of First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar, stating that the peace agreement remains intact and that Machar's situation is a legal matter. He emphasized the need for communities to focus on development and to resolve disputes through legal channels rather than violence. VP Taban's return to Unity State is seen as a significant step in promoting peace and stability in the region, especially amid ongoing political and security tensions.